Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called Quick and Easy Meals. And this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Buckeye Girls Recent Things. Now I'm going to be linking our channel links down below in the description box. So I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure to full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss Quick and Easy Meals. Now this is an open playlist, and as in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. Okay, now let's head on over to the video here. So these two huge chicken cutlets, I'm cutting them up into cubes, cutting the fat off of the edges, and then we're gonna start seasoning it and taking it over to the pan to get this cooked because we're making some chicken tostadas with salsa. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I wanna say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now, did you know that clicking the like button and full watching a video, this helps me to grow, and commenting below just lets me know how you enjoy my video. Now, sometimes the viewers don't realize the big part they play in the growth of your channel, but your input is very important. Now, while I'm cutting this chicken up, I'm going to take this opportunity to let you know that I do have a main channel, and it's called the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And then this channel is an overflow of that one, except this one is more home life. Now, I also have another channel called Moments of Grace. So if you enjoy inspirational and Bible-based teaching, that is the channel that you want to go to. I'm going to be linking these channels below. And yes, I would love for you to come on over and support me. Now here's something I'm doing a little bit different. I'm putting some olive oil in this pan with a little bit of vinegar, okay? Now, when you are cooking with the chicken, make sure that you season it to your liking because your liking may not be mine. I use my 4 basic seasonings, which I call a house seasoning, is salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano. Now, anything else that you add additional to that, is just fine. Just season to taste, guys, because this is all about what you like. Okay, so here we are seasoning to taste, and the only additional spice I added here was curry because my son loves curry. Now here I decided to go ahead and cut up an onion and add it to the pan. You can never have too much onion, guys. Okay, we got that all stirred up. Now it's time to just leave it cook. Now once the chicken is all done, I'm gonna go grab a glass bowl, and then we're just gonna place all of that chicken, that yumminess, right into the bowl. Now these are the tostadas. I don't normally use this, as my first time buying it, but I decided to do it because it was something different. I usually use the Missions tortilla and the low carb ones. So that's normally what I use, but today I just wanted that, something different and with a crunch. Okay, now here I'm just grabbing some salsa of whatever kind that you guys like, just spreading it on the tostada, and then I'm just adding the chicken. And that's pretty much it. And it is so delicious and so filling. I think I prefer the Missions tortilla wraps, but if you like these, then these work just as well. Okay, so let's head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you next week for quick and easy meals.